short, fun, and reward-based training works best. Afghan Hound pros include their elegant, affectionate, unique appearance, athletic, and independent. The cons include high grooming needs, stubborn, not always obedient, needs space to run. Similar breeds to the Afghan Hound include the Saluki, Borzoi, Irish Wolfhound, and Greyhound.
PetzPaws Rescue Crew is a nonprofit supported by purchases from PetzPaws.com. PetzPaws Rescue Crew does not take any payment from rescues, so if you want to support, visit PetzPaws.com and pick up a hoodie and wear it proudly.